In this video, we're going to be going over the estimates descoid as well as the orders descoid, as well as a lot of the changes that we've made to both of these descoids. Starting off with the estimates descoid, we can see that it has the same functionality as all other descoids. The settings has multiple filter options. For estimates, we can show all estimates, or we can show pending only, which are items that require action. We can group the estimates by projects, or we can group them by estimates themselves, as well as the ability to remove the estimates descoid completely. Keep in mind that removing any of these descoids can always be reversed by going to the Manage Descoids icon and adding them back in. We're also introducing the ability to drag and drop a lot of the descoids. If we were to click this handle on the right hand side, we'll immediately see areas that get highlighted where we can actually place the descoid. Moving it to the right hand side, we can drop it there and the estimates descoid will stay. We can also go to the orders descoid and do the same exact thing, and now we can line them up side by side. Going back to the estimates descoid, currently it's being grouped by projects, and we can see that there's been an RFE that's been sent out, and it's been sent out to 2 suppliers. However, only one of them have responded. We can also see when this RFE is due. Moving underneath, we can see the first estimate, the name of the estimate, the status, as well as the supplier that sent this to us, and also its expiration date. Something new that we've added to the new estimates descoid is we can now see the value of the estimate. But whichever estimate is the low will always be highlighted in green. This only works when it's being grouped by project. This allows you to go ahead and compare multiple estimates that you've received for the same RFE and give you a quick summary of which one is the lowest estimate. We immediately get an actionable item which tells us that we can go ahead and click the review estimate button and we'll get dropped into the correct estimate. As with many of the other descoids, we also get a view more button or a link on the bottom. What this does is this brings us into the full estimates list page, and it shows us all the estimates that have been created in our work group. If we were to change the grouping of the estimates descoid to group by estimates, we can see that it removes the project as well as the RFE wrapper, and it also removes the color coding of the value. This gives more attention to each individual estimate, but it doesn't allow us to compare the estimates side by side that are related to a single RFE. Moving over to the orders descoid, we also get the same pieces of functionality. We can either show all, show pending only, or group the orders descoid by projects or orders themselves. As with any other descoid in Noosh, we can also have the ability to remove the descoid and add it back at a later date. For the orders descoid, we've added quite a few number of items to the new descoid. From here on out, we can see which project each order is associated with, the name of your order, who made the purchase, what type of order it was, and in this instance it was a buy order, as well as the status of the order. Moving to the right hand side of the descoid, we can also see the value of the order as well as the completion date. Mousing over any of these orders will provide us with options to accept or reject an order. The ability to have inline actionable items, as well as having a way to get dropped into your next step, is something that Noosh is working towards. Not only does this help you in your day-to-day activities on Noosh, but it helps mitigate as well as reduce the number of clicks that you need to go through to achieve day-to-day actions.